As you all know, the complexity of current federal regulations makes it extremely difficult for small businesses to afford retirement savings accounts for their great employees. While large companies can afford to deal with these burdensome regulations, and of course, they've been reduced very substantially for large companies also, but smaller companies just can't do it. They can't handle it. As a result, nearly half of Americans working at small businesses with fewer than 100 employees have not had access, believe it or not, to 401ks or other retirement plans. And it's a terrible thing, and you see it, and so many people complain about it, but we're taking care of it. We've done a lot. This is one more thing. They gave me a list before of things to read out of accomplishments of the Trump administration. It was 5 pages long, single lines. And I said, we don't have enough time to do that. But we'll do that. They know what it is. They know what it is. They don't want to report it, and that's okay. That's why I'm taking very bold action to lower the cost of retirement plans so that they can become an affordable option for businesses of all sizes. That's a big thing. Wasn't available. Now it is. Small businesses will no longer be at a competitive disadvantage, and small business workers will now be treated more fairly and have many more choices. They didn't have a choice. They didn't have it, but even if they did, they didn't have a choice. We will accomplish this goal by reducing regulatory barriers, allowing small businesses to band together to create low-cost association retirement plans. Such a big thing. They'll be banding together. They'll have such strength. They'll be able to negotiate incredible deals because they'll have big numbers. And I will tell you, I already know a lot of companies are getting together. They're making incredible deals, Alex. And it's because of what you've done in your group. That's just a fantastic thing. So I want to thank you. In other words, small businesses will be able to pool their resources so that they can have the same purchasing power, or even more, frankly, as large businesses. Great. Save a lot of money and get better plans. Retirement savings plans will now be available to more Americans than ever before.